Hey, what's up you guys? So welcome to the channel. So hey, look, in today's video, what we're going to be talking about and what we're going to be covering in today's video is really just the idea that you can get started with becoming an investor without having a lot of money, without having a lot of resources, without having a lot of time or even a lot of skill or even knowing a lot about investing. So yes, you who are watching this video, you could become an investor into the stock market. You could start making progress financially, growing and building your wealth, and then ultimately down the road, if you're consistent with investing over a long period of time, you will reach your goal of reaching financial freedom. So hey, if that sounds great to you, what I want to ask you to do next is look right here on the bottom right side of the screen. I want you to find that subscribe button. Be sure to go ahead and give that subscribe button a quick tap for me, so that way you will get notified by YouTube each and every time I upload a video just like this one you're watching. So thank you so much for doing that, and with that being said, let's go ahead and get right into today's video. All right, you guys, so just like I said in the opening of this video, it really does not take a lot for you to become an investor and start investing into the stock market. Now, I'm not saying that ultimately that you're not going to have to invest a pretty significant amount of money in order for you to truly really build wealth, or that it's not going to take, a longer period of time for you to build your wealth if you're investing small amounts of money. But what I am telling you is that in order for you to get started with investing and at least just, start the process of becoming an investor, it does not take a lot of your income. The reality and the truth is there is a lot of investing accounts that you could open, download their app and create your account and start investing with as little as $1 to maybe like the most probably to go ahead and get started with for like a very beginner friendly investing brokerage account is probably like $5. So for somewhere between $1 and $5, there exists plenty of brokerage accounts that you could go ahead, like I said, download their app, create your account and deposit somewhere between $1 and $5. Your investing brokerage account is going to be open, and then there you have it. You're going to be able to start investing into the stock market. And you might be like, okay, well, even if that's true and that's possible, like I don't even know what investing brokerage accounts, or the investing app that I could, download and start using, their app to invest into the stock market. And then even beyond that, you're like, I don't know where to begin as far as what do I even invest into. So I'm not going to try to tell you, hey, you need to use this investing app, or, this one's better than the other, or anything like that. I'm not going to put any type of like affiliate links in the description box, or I'm not going to make any certain recommendation. But just because I simply want to just give you some type of investing brokerage account that is a very good one, ones that I've used in the past, ones that really will just give you exactly what you're needing. It's not going to cost you anything pretty much to open up your account other than the money that you're going to put in, so that way you could get started with investing. And I know based on me using these investing brokerage accounts that they're good investing apps and brokerage accounts that you could go ahead, sign up with. And I know from my own personal experience that you could open them up and that you are not going to need more than between $1 to $5 depending on which one you use. So the first one that I would just tell you about is you could go ahead and use the Robinhood app. So just go on your phone or go on the App Store, search Robinhood. You're going to see the app. Go ahead, download that, go through the process, open up your investing brokerage account, sign up with them. You're probably going to have to just put in about $1, and then there it is. You're going to have your Robinhood account. And I'm pretty sure with them, when you sign up with them, you're going to get some kind of free stock, or maybe it'll be a couple. But nevertheless, Robinhood is a very good, reliable investing brokerage account, and it's a very beginner friendly account and a very good, investing brokerage account that it favors towards beginners. And they have a lot of more advanced features on there. But if you're a very true beginner, it's not going to be hard for you to figure your way around their app. So the first one that I would just recommend to you guys is Robinhood. So go ahead, take a look into that. Now, the second one is going to be Webull. And in case you're like, whoa, that sounds weird. Like, how do you even spell it? It's Webull. So go ahead, again, check out the Webull app. So in no way am I going to get paid or compensated in any kind of way whatsoever for me mentioning, these investing brokerage accounts to you guys, and you guys signing up and opening up your account with them. The main reason and the only reason why I am even mentioning them or sharing with you guys these two investing brokerage accounts is because I want you to have something that you could take away as soon as you are done watching this video, to be like, okay, he at least mentioned some investing brokerage accounts. in the video that I could at least go check out and, see how they are for myself. But at least I gave you some that I personally have used, so I could tell you that much, that yes, I have used them. I know that they work. I know that they're good ones. I know that they're reliable investing brokerage accounts. So I wanted to give you those. But like I said, in no way am I going to benefit from you going on and opening up and signing up an investing brokerage account with either Robinhood or Webull. But like I said, I just wanted to give you those so you have some actual action that you could go ahead and take place as soon as you are done watching this video. So hopefully you guys, maybe go check those out, check out Robinhood or check out, Webull. And if you do decide to sign up with one of them, and head back to the video, leave me a comment, let me know which one you decided to go with and how it's turning out for you. But yeah, so there's that. Now again, just because you can open your investing brokerage account for somewhere between $1 and $5, depending on the app that you're using, that is great. That's all good. That's lovely. But the thing is, you are never going to truly reach the financial goals that you have. You're never going to ultimately get rich. You're never going to reach financial freedom, by just having or investing $1 or $5. Clearly, you're going to need some more income that you're going to be investing other than that. So yes, it is great that you're looking into becoming an investor, that you want to become someone who's investing their hard-earned income into the stock market, investing into assets, growing and building your wealth. But now the next step is, once you've opened your account, you started selecting what investments you want to get into, what type of stocks or ETFs or index funds or whatever it is that you're going to be investing into. You might invest into crypto. I don't know, whatever is going to be your investment that you select. But nevertheless, you're never going to reach that financial goal without doing these things that I'm about to share with you next. So you are going to need to obviously have some money that is some free and clear income that you can have set aside out of your hard-earned income in order for you to invest into these assets. So after you go out there, you earn your income through your job or your business or whatever it is, you want to be living on less than you are earning, so that way you will have some free and clear income left over. And then with that free and clear income that you have set aside, you want to consistently and regularly invest and deposit that free and clear income into your investing brokerage account, and then just continually buy and invest into those assets over a period of time. And yes, it's going to take time for your investments to go up in value. It's going to take time for you to ultimately get rich and ultimately reach financial freedom. But again, the first crucial thing that you're going to have to do is live on less than you earn. The second thing is that you are going to have to do this consistently. You can't just do it for a week. You can't just do it for 1 month or 1 year or 2 years or 5 years. This is going to be a long-term game. Yes, you could speed up the process of how fast you could reach a certain number in financial net worth by how much you are earning and how much you are depositing and investing into your brokerage account. But nevertheless, you need to invest consistently. So you want to do this every week, every month, every year, year after year, until you finally reach your financial goal that you are trying to get to inside your investing brokerage account. So you need to be living on less than you earn, and you need to invest consistently, and you just remain doing that all the way until you finally reach your financial goal. Hey, so now you guys know that it is absolutely possible for you to go ahead and start investing into the stock market, start investing into assets like stocks, index funds, ETFs, or other types of investments like crypto, whatever is your theme. And I hope that you guys found value in this video in some type of way. I'd love to get your guys' thoughts. Drop your comments in the comment section below. So what's going to happen next is a video is going to pop up here on the screen. I want you to go ahead and tap that video on the screen, and I will see you guys in that next video.